Good morning. Here we are in Atlanta, and we are inside of the Melrose showroom. You know what? If you're here in Atlanta, come on in. This is the perfect time to come in, walk around, get the lay of the land, check some things out. I'm Leanne Moyers. I am excited to be here with you. I know we officially open tomorrow, but you know what? We've got a lot of customers here in this showroom. They don't like to be on camera with me for some reason, but they are here and they're doing a lot of great shopping. They're seeing some fantastic new trends that are in focus that our designers have put on display for us. But one of the things I wanted to talk about this morning here with you is kind of this purple and green combination. We have this beautiful piece that came in that has a great opportunity for doing so many different design things with this. In Dallas, they saw this on the porch. If you didn't see that video, you can go watch that, where they had built a porch and this went all the way up the porch post. Just kind of like this, and they just worked with those different sprays. This is a hot new one. The number is 96766 if you're trying to shop from home and you're not going to be in Atlanta and you'd like to add that to your cart. This is an exceptional value, and I think this is going to be one of those top sprays or stems that we have for this season. The other thing I want to show you, Shelly's going to show that to you, is just so you see the quality and the detail. The branch itself is beautiful. It's got the little knots here. It looks like a natural woody piece, but it also has this where you can run your finger on it and you really feel that texture. This is a very nice piece, and I like it because of the color and the way that it works here in Courtyard Garden with our purples and our greens. And that's the focus of what I wanted to show you today, is this incredible color combination. And our sales reps keep talking about, you know, the sales reps. Sales reps are all over building one, right? We're on the 17th floor. We have some of the best professionals in the industry. I'm sure you're meeting with lots of wonderful salespeople all week long. But when they all gravitate towards something and they love it, you know it's something special. And that's when I'm hearing about this purple and green stem combination. So let's start with this shelf topper. I want you to see just how gorgeous this is. We have our black and white butterflies that are standing out closest to your eyesight that you're going to see, but we have two different types of lilac sprays that are in there, and I keep calling them the dark lilac spray and the lighter. They're both of a purple. They both have incredible detailing with them. And then we have this spray, and I'm just kind of touch it here for you. This is definitely shapeable and wired, and it has these little bitty, and they're probably like a little over an inch, snowballs pieces that look like the same leaf that we have on the lilac, but it just goes wonderfully. And by having that different shape, it's an organic shape, which is trending, but just by having that different shape mixed with the lilacs, mixed with the morning glory, mixed with the butterflies, that really makes this shelf topper something special. And a lot of customers are coming through and just picking every single piece out of here and recreating that for their store. Shelly is doing a great job of showing that to you. She's going to drop down and show you also one of the planters that the designers put together with that dark lilac spray. And the dark one, again, it's not super dark in color, but the detail and all these little bitty petals. I mean, there's thousands of them, thousands of little petals on these sprays that have come out. This is coming into you in the light purple or the dark purple. It looks fantastic in a planter. I'm going to pick up this pot that they have, this container here, and bring it out to the light so you can see it. This is the light color. So what a difference, right? So this is the light, but still has that quality. This little dark piece right here is actually fuzzy. So we have all the little petals, but this piece right here, when I touch it, is just little fuzzy. It's kind of has that nice little feel to it. The other purple that's here that is doing very well is this piece. And this is a heather, and this comes in 4 different colors. We have a nice cream color, we have an ochre color, we have a nice mauve pink, and then we have this purple. That is another one that's working well in the combinations. Now, especially if you're a designer, this isn't new to you. You can mix and match with any of these and have this incredible effect. And that's one of the reasons why I think the sales reps really like this corner of the showroom. Here are some sprays that have an exceptional value that are coming in. You can get a candle ring, a spray of this, or you can get this in a pre-made wreath. But here's that Snowball Branch, and you can really see the branches very well here. And then another couple of things that came in that the designers are really loving to work with and putting in a lot of vases, and they're across the showroom, are these snowball pieces. And these are exceptional, and they work very, very well together. But they're exceptional not just for the color, but also the texture and the detail. And again, if I want to take my hand and just kind of rub my finger over the top, very nice and detailed. You can feel the little fuzz. It's almost like you're really touching the floral itself. I really like that. If we drop down on the wall, Here are two of our Sedum sprays that came in. The pink has that light dusty pink color, and of course the dark green. You can see this in Curated Country. We have this in several containers over there that are in the cream with a little bit of the green. So it just depends on what kind of style you're going for. Those three new stems are fantastic. This seed pod was featured heavily in Dallas. This was Mark Ellis's favorite. He told me that. He goes, there's just something about that seed pod spray that I really like and my customers really like. That's an exceptional one. Here on the wall are the actual lilacs. You can see that one more time. The morning glories here, and then we have the hydrangeas. And so the hydrangeas are here in this middle. And these are a smaller hydrangea than what we had for our large one that we had brought in previously. Now you're used to the large one. The large one, let me put my hands up there so you can see how big it is. That's a large hydrangea. These are the smaller. A lot of depth of color, the same as what you're used to getting that high quality from Melrose, but just a slightly different size. Before we leave this section, I want to talk about the new seed pods that we have. Love that raspberry or plum color on that seed pod. That is the new one that we have for this season. It is a beautiful seed pod, and we've had seed pods before in that dark blue and that green, but that little bit of that purple or that raspberry look is incredible. We're going to slide through here, and we are part of Courtyard Garden. That's one of 6 collections that Melrose is introducing to us. We have 900 new products. So finding your favorite, well, I might have a favorite today, but I might have a new favorite tomorrow because I might find something else. But there's one more set of planters here. These are hardwood planters. They have a great style to them, a great color. When we talk about wood products for 2025, one of the things that is trending is having a wood coloring that's just a little bit warmer than the wood tones that we've seen in the past. And these happen to have an exceptional price point on them, so you're going to want to talk to your Melrose sales rep about bringing those in for you for this season, and then decorate with your own sprays and pods. I mean, here we've got the seed pod, we've got the heather, we've got several different pieces brought in here together, but you can do the same thing that you saw in the shelf topper. They're just very, very beautiful. Now this last set, here's one of our pre-made wreaths, and then we have the spray up here with this gorgeous poppy, so like this dark purple plum color, and then we also have the same snowball that we talked about over on the wall, and then the hydrangea pieces, gorgeous pieces that we brought in with the purple and the green. If you're looking for trending styles, you should look no further than the Melrose Everyday Showroom. It is on the 17th floor. If you're in the lobby, just come on in off the elevators. You're going to see our holiday showroom first, which is C11, and then we'll walk you down here to E18. It's pretty easy to find. If you're over in Building 2, the easy way to find us is just go to the 17th floor and take the Sky Bridge over. That'll save you quite a bit of time to come. This is the week. This is the week to come into the Melrose showroom. Take a look around, walk around. If you were at home watching these videos, guess what? The virtual showroom is already up. We put that up late last night. So if you want to take a virtual walk and go through and see these exact toppers, click on it and see all of the items that you want to add to your Melrose cart. That is ready for you right now. Thank you for joining me this morning, and enjoy your visit to Melrose.